Elmo wants the new Galactic Kill comic book. Huh?
Excuse me. Is this what you're looking for, my little red friend?
Yeah, thank you for...
I help out at the library every Saturday.
But you...
Here, let me help you out. We need a library card.
I got a library. Let has a library card.
There you go. Now we'll scan your book,
Scan the book.
and you're all set. Hey, looks interesting.
Uh-huh.